When you hear the word itis medically, what does it mean?
So the correct answer is inflammation. So whenever you hear the word itis, arthritis, inflammation of the joint, bronchitis, inflammation of the bronchus, appendicitis, inflammation of the appendix. So know it from today. Whenever you hear the word itis, it's talking about inflammation.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word algia? It means pain. So whenever you hear the word algia, medically it means pain. We have some examples like neuralgia, pains in the nerve, arthralgia, pains in the joints, like we said, arthritis, inflammation of the joint, myalgia, muscle, othalgia. I believe you've heard of otitis media, inflammation of the middle ear. So othalgia, inflammation of the ear. When you hear the word UMA, what does it mean? So from today, whenever you hear the word UMA, carcinoma, lipoma, melanoma, lymphoma, we're talking about tumor, a mass growth, normally cancerous growth. So carcinoma, cancerous tumor. I believe you've heard of nuclei. These are cells in the brain. So we have the glioma. So these are tumors arising from the glial cells in the brain. We've heard of melanin. So when we have cancers of the melanocyte, that is the cells that produces melanin, it becomes melanoma. What do you think about the word brady? Brady is characterized by decreased rate of something. So we have the bradycardia. You already know that cardia deals with the heart. So brady means abnormal slow heart rate. That word rate must be there. So we have bradypnea. So we have the decreased respiratory rate. If you love what you are learning, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that YouTube will get you notified when I drop videos like this. What is ectomy? So whenever you hear the word ectomy medically, it means surgical removal. So whenever I teach, I love to give shortcuts. So ectomy, that ECT, always remember it as a remover, surgical remover. So now when a person's appendix is inflamed, it's appendicitis. So when it is about to be removed surgically, it's called appendectomy. What about the breast? Mastectomy, the uterus, hysterectomy, and so on and so forth. What is scopy? So whenever you hear the word scopy, I want you guys to remember telescope, microscope. So when you hear the word scopy medically, it means examination using an instrument. This instrument has cameras. It can visualize, can give vision. So when you hear endoscope, so we are talking about visual examination of the body cavities. Laparoscope, visualization of the abdomen. I want you guys to know something. Scopy is the examination, while the scope is the instrument. So we have endoscopy, is the examination of the body cavities, but with an instrument called endoscope. Thank you so much. What is stomy? So whenever you hear the word stomy, it means creation of an artificial opening. When a medical doctor, a medical practitioner creates an artificial opening. So when you hear tracheostomy, when there is an opening, artificial opening in the trachea, in the gastrostomy in the stomach, ileostomy in the ileum. What is lodge? We all know this one. Cardiology, biology, pharmacology means to study.
What is otomy? Otomy, or can be called tomy, is just an incision or a cutting. It can be done in any part of the body. For example, we have the phlebotomy, incision to draw blood. Laminotomy, incision into the vertebra. So tomy is different from stomy. Stomy has S there, which means an artificial opening, but tomy is just an incision. If you find this video interesting, please do well to like. Liking the video will help the video spread to a larger number of people so they can get blessed by the video, and also subscribe so that you will get informed when I drop interesting videos like this for medical students. When I drop new videos which I give shortcuts in being the best, you will get a notification.